In step 6, we are going to be lacing the battery holder wires and then soldering. What do they mean by lacing? This one, in order to provide some strain relief for the battery, they have 2 extra bigger holes that don't have any place to solder to loop the wires through. That way, if the battery gets tugged on, it doesn't pull on the soldered joints. Unfortunately, because this is not my original design, I can't do the same with the pigtail, but this is a good practice to do. Some people will use hot glue or knots, or I use zip ties, cable ties. So in order to do this, you have to feed the wires through, and we're going to feed them around. Now here, polarity is going to matter. We have a plus, we have a minus. The red is the plus, the black is the minus. So what we'll do is feed the red through one of the holes and the black through the other one. The black should go through near the negative pad, and the red to the other. Okay. Now pull up the wires a little bit and then insert the red wire into that plus pad there, right there. So you can do that and bend it over so it doesn't pop out on us. And on the negative, we're doing the same. So you've made a U-turn with the wire like that. So you've had the wire come up, loop around, and then go through the board for us to solder. Now we have more wires to deal with, so we're going to have to be careful and not mess up any of the existing wiring. And let's see, get my solder, and here, so we're going to solder the one side, and we're going to solder the other side. So again, double check your work. Make sure that you've connected the black wire to the negative and the red wire to the positive. Once you've soldered it and it's cooled down a little bit, you could gently pull these wires through, leaving a little bit there. And that's the strain relief. So if someone is yanking on it, it helps protect the soldered joints. So that is it for the battery. Now we're going to move on to the LEDs.